Now this is the one that I was waiting to see in person. This mug right here. Though. The hardest one out here. By far. The detail in this mother right here. I'm gonna give y'all a full look around once he sit it down. Hold on. Alright y'all, so I gotta give y'all a full detail look at this junk right here, cause I ain't seen it on YouTube. Y'all probably done seen it on Instagram, YouTube too, but man, the detail. First of all, the material on the route is they're reflective, shiny, but then I mean, you got Malcolm X, Biggie, you got Pop, you got Mandela. It's easy to build strong children, repair broken men. Every great dream begins with a dream. Newspaper articles. Then he's smart because he put the bra on the front. So you can't get messed up when he's pulling up here. Martin Luther King, Kaepernick, Nipsey, Marvin Gaye. Nothing can be changed until in his face. Black Lives Matter. Damn Jodie. Damn Jodie. You killed him, man. You killed him, man. Ain't no car show. He won. Oh, well, let me not leave this out. You can see the motor right there. See through. Yeah, he hard, man.